Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 105 and let me share with you how to disable the keypad tones on this device. So if you're not the biggest fan of the tones and the sound that your keys are making, you can simply turn them off. So all we have to do is to press the middle button to enter the menu, and then let's go down and left to find the settings. Let's select it. And at the very top of this list, we've got the tone settings, so let's select. Now let's go down until you will find the keypad tones, and just by using the right or left button we can either make them louder or we can turn them off completely just by going all the way to the left. Then simply press select, and as you can see we've got the confirmation, and from now on your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you that you're pressing any buttons. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.